In the previous video we went through the process of creating a customer on the Swyx operator portal. In this video I will go through the steps to add or remove Swyx Meeting users to a customer. Please remember, Swyx partners wishing to create users for their own companies should create that company account on operator before adding users. When adding users, we need to ensure we are adding them to the right company. So from the main dashboard we can either go to the customer configuration button and then list all our customers from the all customers option on the left hand side and selecting the customer, or directly searching for a customer with the search field at the top of the screen. It is important to always confirm you are in the correct area of operator for ordering by checking the account name on the left hand side. We can now go to the ordering option and select Swyx Meeting. Again, fields in red have to be completed, and we can confirm finally that we are in the correct customer. We are going to order Swyx Meeting, and for a reference, if this is for your own in-house use, we recommend prefixing NFR partner. The delivery date will be the date the user becomes active, and the welcome email will be sent to the user. In the next step there is a choice of either ordering Swyx Meeting 2 or Swyx Meeting, and I will show both steps now. Swyx Meeting 2 is free for Swyx users on contract with a monthly license. So when I choose this and press next step, I will be asked for proof of authorization. Details of how to find the appropriate proof can be found from the document linked here. This details how to find proof from PartnerNet in the case of Swyxware, from the license manager in SDC or Compact, for Swyx On, and for Swyx Flex. So we enter the reference and confirm before going to the next step. Here we can create a new user, and again fields in red are mandatory. When completing the email address, please note that this has to be unique for each Swyx Meeting user on the portal platform. If the email needs to be reassigned, the old user will have to be deleted first. And select a language. Finally, we confirm the invoice value and place the order. When creating a user and allocating them a Swyx Meeting full license, the steps are similar. So again, I go to Ordering and Swyx Meeting, confirm I am with the correct customer. In the reference, prefix with NFR if this is for my own in-house use, or use an appropriate reference for your end users. For the delivery date, I'm going to select tomorrow and next step. Here I will order Swyx Meeting, and the next step will now bypass the proof of authorization, and I can go straight to adding a new user. Please note that when creating an NFR user for your company, there are a couple of preconditions. Firstly, this user should be created within the company account, not the operator portal logon account that you first entered the system with. Secondly, there is only one NFR license available to each Swyx partner. In the case where you would like to try this across multiple users, the suggestion is you would create a generic logon. For example, demo, and fill in an email address that people can use to log on with. This account can then be shared amongst multiple users within your organization. And finally, confirm the invoice value and place the order. If I return to my customers now and look at the specific customer I've just been working on, if I go to Swyx Meeting, from this screen I can see active accounts and outstanding orders on the system. These accounts and orders can be edited. So in the case of this first order, which will go active tomorrow, if I place my cursor on the order number and go to orders, it is possible to cancel this order and confirm. And the order is now removed. So I only have one user. To change a user from Swyx Meeting 2 to Swyx Meeting, or from Swyx Meeting to Swyx Meeting 2, again I go to the order number, and under actions I can go to change order, and here the system will automatically change from Swyx Meeting 2 to Swyx Meeting, or if it was Swyx Meeting already, change the product to Swyx Meeting 2. The next step will confirm that there is now a new invoice value and I can place the order. Again, returning to the Swyx Meeting users, and go to orders, I can cancel that upgrade from Swyx Meeting 2 to Swyx Meeting. I can also terminate the order completely from the actions list and give an end date for this subscription. Under users, I can see all user accounts that were created for this customer and their email addresses. If I wish to remove the email address and user from the system, I can select delete. This account should not be deleted as they are an active Swyx Meeting user. I could cancel the Swyx Meeting and then remove the user from the system if required.